Hello, Fiske Lions. I hope all my Lions are doing well. Just a reminder, the first day of remote learning will be Tuesday, September 8th, so please charge your Chromebooks and iPads. There are tents at the North Central Office parking lot across from Schlagle High School, Mondays through Friday, 9 to 4, if your device needs repair or replacement. If you were unable to make this week for deployment of student supplies, please stop by next week. Please remember to complete the meal applications in order to be eligible for free and reduced lunches, since John Fiske will no longer be able to provide free lunches to all students. Also, to order curbside pickup lunches, please call ahead at 913-279-2191. If you have a kindergarten student, make sure to complete the 2 mandatory ASQ tests. If you have a 5th grade student participating in strings, please come to Fiske next week to pick up your instrument if you haven't already. Thank you to all the families who participated in Family Advocacy Week and the virtual open houses. It was a long week, but it was worth it, and it was great to see all the families. Until next week, please stay safe and well. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, or need to update contact information, please call the main office at 913-627-4850. Don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook at John Fiske Elementary, home of the Lions.